Engines don't explode out of nowhere. They die slowly. Every ignored drop of fluid pushes them closer to the edge. Those small tanks under the hood are the lifeline keeping heat, friction, and chaos in check. Let one run dry, and your ride turns from smooth to smoking in seconds. Oil, coolant, brake fluid. Each one fights to keep your engine alive. Here are the 9 simple car fluids you're ignoring, and they're destroying your engine without you even noticing. Number 9. Washer fluid. Washer fluid is one of those car things you don't think about until your windshield looks like a Jackson Pollock painting of bugs and dirt. But trust me, it's a bigger deal than it seems. This little blue liquid keeps your vision clear when road grime, dust, or pollen tries to block your view. Especially if you're driving somewhere like Houston, where the air can get thick with pollen or splattered with bugs during a summer cruise. You'll want your washer fluid topped off and ready. If your spray starts sputtering or nothing comes out at all, that's your ride's way of saying, "Hey, I'm thirsty." Pop the hood and check that reservoir. It's usually a translucent container with a windshield icon on the cap. And make sure you use real washer fluid instead of plain water. Water can freeze in colder weather or grow bacteria that'll make your car smell like a science experiment gone wrong. Keeping your washer fluid full doesn't just make things look clean, it keeps you safe. Clear vision means you're not squinting through streaks or sun glare when a bug meets its end on your windshield. Small detail, big difference. And of course, seeing the road's one thing, keeping the engine from boiling over is another. Number 8. Coolant. Coolant, also known as antifreeze, is like your engine's personal climate control system. It keeps things cool when the temperature under the hood starts cooking, and prevents freezing when the weather turns nasty. Most coolants you'll find today are ethylene glycol based, a fancy way of saying they can handle both blazing summer heat and freezing winter nights without breaking a sweat. This fluid isn't just there for show. It moves through the engine and radiator, carrying heat away so your ride doesn't end up smoking on the side of the highway. And here's a good rule of thumb: check your coolant level at least once a month. If you live somewhere that swings from scorching to freezing, check it more often. A sudden drop in coolant could mean a leak, and that's the kind of surprise no driver wants. Most modern cars make life easy with a transparent overflow or reservoir tank. You can usually spot it under the hood with MIN and MAX lines. Older cars made it trickier, requiring you to check directly at the radiator, which often felt like a guessing game. Keeping coolant topped up is one of those quiet habits that saves engines and wallets. But keeping it cool means nothing if you can't steer it right. Number 7. Power steering fluid. Power steering fluid is what gives your steering that smooth, effortless feel when turning the wheel. It acts as a hydraulic helper, transferring pressure through the system so your arms don't have to do all the heavy lifting. The fluid flows through the pump and steering rack, helping the wheels respond instantly to every move. Without it, even a simple parking job could feel like wrestling a bear. Most car makers suggest checking the power steering fluid about once a month. As vehicles get older, leaks or worn seals can cause the level to drop faster than expected. A quick peek under the hood can save a lot of trouble later. Most systems have a dipstick built into the reservoir cap, making it easy to check the level and fluid condition. Some newer cars have switched to electric power steering, which doesn't use any fluid at all. So if that's the setup under your hood, this won't apply. But for the many rides still running on hydraulic systems, clean, full fluid means smooth steering and fewer headaches. If it starts whining or feels stiff, the fluid may be low, and your car is trying to tell you before things get expensive. And while smooth turns are great, stopping on time matters even more. Number 6. Brake fluid. Brake fluid doesn't get much attention, but it's the reason your car actually stops when you hit the pedal. This liquid runs through the brake lines and builds hydraulic pressure, multiplying the force from your foot and turning it into the stopping power that clamps your brake pads and shoes. Without enough fluid, that pressure drops, and your brakes start feeling soft or spongy. not something you want to discover while heading downhill. It's smart to check your brake fluid at least once a month. That quick look can help catch small leaks before they turn into serious problems. Most cars have a reservoir sitting right on top of the master cylinder. It's usually semi-clear, with the minimum and maximum lines printed on the side, so you can see the level without opening the cap. If the fluid looks dark or dirty, it's time for a flush. Clean brake fluid should be a light golden color. Over time, moisture and heat can break it down, making it less effective. Keeping it fresh means faster stops, safer drives, and fewer heart-stopping moments when traffic suddenly slams to a halt. But once you're done stopping, the real danger starts under the hood. Number 5. Engine oil. Engine oil is the real MVP under the hood. It keeps every moving part, from pistons to camshafts, gliding smoothly instead of grinding themselves into metal dust. Think of it as your engine's bloodstream, carrying away heat and debris while keeping friction in check. Without it, your ride wouldn't last long before turning into a very expensive paperweight. There are tons of oil types and viscosities out there, but not all are created equal. Always stick to what your car's manufacturer recommends. That number on the bottle, like 5W30 or 10W40, isn't random. It tells you how the oil flows in cold and hot conditions. Using the wrong one can mess with performance or wear parts faster. Checking your oil every few weeks or before a long trip is a smart habit. Pop the hood, pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, and dip it back in. The markings for full and low make it easy to read. The best time to check is when the engine's warm but turned off. If the level's low or the oil looks dark and gritty, it's time for a top-up or a change. Clean oil means a longer life for your engine and smoother rides for you. Still, even the best engine oil won't help if the power can't reach the wheels. Number 4. Transfer case fluid. The transfer case fluid is one of those things most drivers forget exists until something starts grinding underneath. In a four-wheel drive vehicle, the transfer case is what sends power to both the front and rear axles, keeping your traction solid whether you're cruising down the highway or crawling through mud. Inside that metal box is a set of gears that work hard, and the fluid inside keeps everything slick and protected from wear. Depending on the model, some manufacturers use heavy gear oil while others go for synthetic blends. Either way, the goal is the same: smooth power transfer and long-lasting parts. It's best to have the fluid checked during regular maintenance, usually at every oil change. Most automakers recommend a complete change somewhere between 60,000 and 100,000 kilometers, though that can vary with how much off-roading or towing the vehicle handles. Checking it isn't hard, but it can be messy. A mechanic removes the inspection plug, much like when checking the rear differential. If the fluid level's low, it needs a top-up using the exact type specified for your ride. Keeping that fluid fresh means fewer mechanical headaches and a four-wheel drive system that stays ready for action. Now, after tearing through mud and dust, it's your windshield that takes the hit. Number 3. Windshield fluid. Windshield fluid, sometimes called washer or wiper fluid, might seem like a small thing, but it plays a big role in keeping your view clear. It sits in a reservoir under the hood and sprays through nozzles onto the windshield, cutting through dust, mud, and those stubborn bug splatters that show up right after a car wash. And without it, you'd be left smearing dirt across the glass every time you hit the wipers. But what most drivers don't realize is that fluid can actually go bad. Over time, bacteria or fungi can start growing in the reservoir, turning it into a funky science project. You might notice an odd smell when you spray it, or find that your nozzles are getting clogged. That buildup not only hurts cleaning performance, but can also damage the pump if ignored for too long. The solution is simple: change it out regularly and use a proper windshield fluid, not plain water. Good washer fluids include additives that fight grime, bugs, and bacterial growth. Keeping it clean ensures streak-free visibility and a safer, clearer drive, no matter what the road throws at your windshield. But while the glass stays clean, the real control starts with the clutch. Number 2. Clutch fluid. Clutch fluid doesn't get talked about much, but it's a big deal for anyone driving a manual. It's what makes the clutch pedal feel smooth instead of stiff, letting the gears shift cleanly without grinding. Most manual transmissions today use a hydraulic system, and that fluid is what transfers your foot pressure to the clutch itself. Without enough of it, the pedal starts feeling spongy, and getting into gear can feel like wrestling with the stick. Manufacturers usually suggest checking clutch fluid every couple of months, or whenever regular maintenance is done. If the car's been around for a while, or there's a hint of a leak, it's smart to check more often. The reservoir for it usually sits near the master cylinder, and it's often see-through, so you can quickly spot if it's getting low. If the level dips below the marked line, it needs topping up with the proper fluid recommended in the owner's manual. Ignoring it can lead to clutch failure or slipping, 2 words no driver wants to hear. Keeping that little tank full helps the transmission stay crisp, the pedal stay firm, and your ride stay smooth. Smooth rides mean nothing though if the gears underneath aren't pulling their weight. Number 1. Differential oil. Differential oil is one of those behind-the-scenes fluids that keeps your car running smoothly, especially in rear-wheel, 4-wheel, and all-wheel drive vehicles. The differential itself is a set of gears that splits power between the wheels, letting them spin at different speeds when turning corners. Without it, every tight turn would sound and feel like metal grinding on metal. The thick gear oil inside keeps those gears lubricated and protected under heavy loads. This oil is tough stuff and doesn't need attention as often as engine oil, but it's not something to ignore. Most mechanics suggest checking it every 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers, or sooner if there's any sign of a leak. Over time, heat and friction can break it down, reducing protection and leading to noisy or rough operation. A full change is typically recommended between 50,000 and 100,000 kilometers, depending on driving habits and conditions. Off-roading, towing, or high-mileage driving can wear it out faster. To check it, a technician removes the inspection plug on the differential housing to see if the fluid level is where it should be. Keeping that gear oil clean and topped up ensures smooth turns, quieter drives, and a differential that stays strong for the long haul. And there you have it, 9 important fluids you should never ignore. Because if you do, your car won't just complain, it'll quit. One leak, one missed refill, and that smooth drive turns into an engine crying for help. Did you find the video helpful? Let us know in the comments, and click here for our next video to find out more car-related facts that'll make you rethink what's really going on under the hood. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.